Welcome to MBBS Council. Maharashtra State Counselling Authority (SETCL) released an urgent notification for round 1 allotted candidates. Before moving into this video, I request you to subscribe our channel to get the current counselling updates. Round 1 reporting is over already on 4th November. This announcement is only for the candidates who join MBBS course in Maharashtra State Counselling round 1. Candidates who wish to resign their allotted seat of round 1, they can do before 20th November on 5 pm. Such candidates will be eligible for round 2. To know more about Maharashtra State Counselling, check out the ebook now. Link is given in the description below. Let's see how to cancel the seat. Candidates are advised to receive the system-generated acknowledgement letter from the college. If you don't have it, then you will be treated as null and void, which means you cannot resign your seat. Any letter other than the system-generated acknowledgement will not be considered for resign your seat. Let's see who cannot resign the seat. Round 1 joint candidate who did not fill the status retention form and not upgraded, he or she cannot resign their allotted seat in round 1 and they have to retain their seat. In such case, round 2 rules will applicable since the candidate exercised the choices and participate in round 2. Also, there is no option to resign the seat if candidate is not upgraded in round 2. To clarify all your counseling related doubts and to get more information about the personalized counseling, click the WhatsApp floating button in the MBBS Council app. Your assigned counselor waits for you on the other side. If you like this video, subscribe our channel to get the current counseling updates and give a thumbs up. We'll meet in another video. See you then.